Hello viewers, myself MGD Tamim. In this video, I'll show you how to change icon color in Adobe Illustrator. So let's begin the video. At first, you have to place an icon in your Adobe Illustrator Artboard. Then centerize the image, click on the embed, then click on the image trace and click OK. After this process, you have to expand the image. Click on the expand, then right click on the icon and make it ungroup. You can see every part is separate. You have to remove the white part of the icon. Select on the white part and click backspace to delete the white part. Then select all the part of the icon and press Ctrl Z to group the icon. Then go to color option and select a color. You can choose any color from the color panel like that. So here is the result. You can change icon color in Adobe Illustrator very easily. Thank you for watching the video.